Hello guys, this is Mark from Always Sold 123 doing a video walk around right now for this Nissan Rogue. That's a Nissan Rogue, guys, with 33,000 miles. Special. It's a special Nissan Rogue special. Take a look. Nice leather interior. I'm doing it starting from inside because it's raining outside and we have few minutes before it rains hard. Guys, take a look. Backup camera, sport button, nice little Rogue with a nice leather interior. So let's go outside quick before it rains. Okay, it started to rain even more. All right, so we'll have this. Look at this interior. Look at these beautiful seats. Okay, take a look. Door panel. Oh man, it's raining. It's raining, guys. 30,000 mile Nissan Rogue. You're gonna get one with 30,000 miles right here at Always Sold 123. Look at this. No rust. Nissan Rogue. No rust. Beautiful, no rust Rogue. Special edition. Gorgeous. It even has that cargo cover, guys. Backup camera. Okay. Nice roof. I don't see any paint faded or like usually on Nissans, like faded paintwork. Listen, it's 13. It's a 13. Look at these tires. 13 Nissan Rogue with 30,000+ miles and no rust. Okay, it's raining hard, so we have to finish this up. It's 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes video, guys. I'm gonna do this quick. Boom. Take a look at this door panel. Look at that. This is leather, guys, by the way. Leather seats, cat skin. Good company, make quality leather for cars, guys. Quality leather, cat skin. Dashboard, not cracked. Book right there. Lug nuts, everything here. Spare lug nuts, guys. 2013, sold by Always Sold. My name is Mark. We have a bunch of customers there. Can't do video in my spot. Look, that's some minor scratches, guys. Keep in mind, vehicle over 10 years old, sold as this. The way you see it, what you see is what you get. What you see is what you get. Of course, some minor scratches. We're gonna try to get them as nice as possible, as much as we can. Hold on. Open this up. Beautiful. Battery new. No rust. Guys, my name is Mark. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like this video. Contact us directly. More pictures on the website. Thank you so much and God bless.